Good day, everyone. I'm Joshua Cortez, first year student taking the Bachelor of Physical Education, and today I will recall you the history of Persia. And before we begin, I would like to request your attention in listening. And let me ask you first, when you hear Persia, what comes in your mind? Alright, Persia is a historic region of southwestern Asia associated with the area that is now modern Iran. The term Persia was used for centuries and originated from a region of southern Iran, formerly known as Persis, alternatively as Pars or Parsa, modern Pars. The use of the name was gradually extended by the ancient Greeks and other peoples to apply to the whole Iranian plateau. The people of that region have traditionally called the country Iran, or Land of the Aryans. That name was officially adopted in 1935. So, if you were to ask what Persis is, it is the Asian country in the southwestern part of Iran, roughly coextensive with the modern region of Pars. The meaning of Pars it is geographic region, south-central Iran. The ancient region known as Pars or Persis was the heart of the Achaemenid Empire on 559 to 330 BC, which founded by the Cyrus of the Great. The name Iran itself means the land of the Aryans, that is noble and educated.
Modern lifestyle in Persia. Modern life in Persia is a complex and varied as any other modern nation due to declining agricultural output. Much of the population now lives in urban centers. Both men and women are expected to dress modestly. Long-sleeve shirts or jackets are mandatory for both genders. Women wear headscarves and long skirts or trousers. The cater is now mainly seen an older generation. Or at religious sites, young people in Persia are often fashion conscious, wear Western apparel within these guidelines, while many lives in modern style apartment complexes. Older architecture can be seen in many areas.